guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me for this week's CVS deals video. This week's ad is different from last week, but some of the deals are the same. Just make sure you're scanning the items on your app to see what coupons or CRTs you have that can help make it cheaper. And if you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Listerine mouthwash on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back, and that includes the pocket packs too. Pick up 2 Listerine mouthwash priced at $7.59 each, and both will total $15.18. I have 2 $1 off tier pads that will take off $2 and drop it down to $13.18, and you get 5 back, making them just $8.18 or $4.09 each. The next deal I have is on select Colgate toothpaste. They on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 Colgate Optic White Stain Fighter on sale for $3.99. Both will total $7.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.98, and you get 4 back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. My next deal is on 12-ounce Clear Care Solution on sale for $10.99, and when you buy 1, you get $3 back. Pick up 1, pay the $10.99 and get 3 back, making it just $7.99. If you need some snacks, Pop-Tart Bites are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, and they are priced at $5.99. Pick up 2, pay $5.99, and that will make it $3 each. And the World Market popcorns are on sale for $1.99 only. My next deal is buy 2 get 6 back on Maybelline Cosmetics. Pick up 1 Fit Me blush priced at $7.79, and pick up 1 Baby Lips priced at $4.99. These two will total $12.79. We have a $3 in our app for the blush. We don't have any coupon for the Baby Lips. With the $3 off, that will drop it down to $9.79, and you get 6 back, making them just $3.79 or $1.90 each. The next cosmetics deal I have will be on NYX. They're on the deal of spend 12 get 5 back. Pick up 1 jumbo eye pencil priced at $6.29 and 1 of the lip liner priced at $5.49. These two will total $11.78, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 12. We all received a $3 NYX CRT today, and if you have a 2 of 10 NYX CRT, you can use it with this deal. The 2 CRTs will take off 5 and drop it down to $6.78, and you get 5 back, making both just $1.78 or 89 cents each. The next deal I have is spend 15 get $10 back on Eco Tools or Real Technique brushes or sponges. The closest item I can find to $15 is the Eco Tools basic sets priced at $14.99, which is within the 98% rule for the spend 15. Pay $14.99 and get 10 back, making it just $4.99. If you don't mind paying out of pocket and you have percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal to make it cheaper. My next deal is spend 10 get $4 back on any Neutrogena acne care. Pick up the oil-free acne wash priced at $10.99. Use the $3.50 off coupon we have in our app. And if you have 3 of 10 Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care CRT, it will work with this deal. The coupon and the CRT will take off $6.50 and drop it down to $4.49, and you get 4 back, making it just 49 cents. My next deal is spend 25 get 10 back on Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care. Pick up the Aveeno face cream priced at $15.99 and the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner priced at $8.79. These two will total $24.78, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 25. Check your app because we have a $5 coupon for the Aveeno, and for the Neutrogena, we have a $3 coupon. And I also have a 5 off 25 Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $13, dropping it down to $11.78, and you get 10 back, making them just $1.78 or 89 cents each. My next deal is on Gillette or Venus disposable razors. They're on sale for $6.99, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up one of each and both will total $13.98. Pay that and get $3 back, making them just $10.98 or $5.49 each. My next razor deal is on Gillette Fusion 5. It's on sale for $9.99, and when you buy one, you get $4 back. Pick up one, use the $3 digital coupon we have. That will drop it down to $6.99 and you get 4 back, making it just $2.99. On razor deal, the Gillette Mark III is on sale for $7.99, and when you buy one, you get $3 back. Pick up one, use the $3 we have in our app to drop it down to $4.99, and you get 3 back, making it just $1.99. The next deal I have will be on Garnier Fructis. They're on the deal of buy two, get 3 back. Pick up 2 leave-in conditioners priced at $4.99 each. You can pick up the shampoo or conditioner, whichever one you like, but the cheapest my store have is the leave-in conditioner. Picking up 2 will total $9.98. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.98 and you get 3 back, making them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. My next hair care deal is buy two get $2 back on Pantene shampoo or conditioner 10.4 to 12.6 ounces, and they're on sale for 2 for $10. Pick up 2, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to 7, pay the $7 and get $2 back, making them just $5 or $2.50 each. The next deal is on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner. They're on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $6 back. Pick up 2, pay $10 and get 6 back, making them just $4 or $2 each. The next deal I have is buy one get $3 back on any Herbal Essence 0% mineral oil hair care. They're on sale for $8. My store don't have it, that's why I have the picture on the screen. Pick it up if you can find it. Pay the $8 and get $3 back, making it just $5. My next deal is buy two get $3 back on Head and Shoulder hair care, and it excludes the clinical strength. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner on sale for 2 for $12. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 9 and you get 3 back, making both just $6 or $3 My each. Next deal is buy two get $2 back on Soft Soap liquid hand soap and also the Irish Spring Bar soap, the 3 counts. They're on sale for $2.49, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. I will explain both ways to do this deal. If you're picking up the soft soap, pick up 2. 2 will total $4.98. Go to their website and print out 50-cent coupon. Use 2 of them to take off $1. That will drop it down to $3.98 and you get 2 back, making both just $1.98 or 99 cents each. But if you want to pick up the Irish Spring Bar soap, pick up 2 of the 3 packs. Both will total $4.98. We don't have any coupon for these products. Pay the $4.98 and get $2 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal I have is spend 30 get $10 back. I will try and explain this deal as much as I can because some of the products my store don't have. Pick 2 of the Downy fabric conditioner on sale for $6.99. 2 120 counts bounce dryer sheets on sale for $6.99, and a small Tide Pod on sale for $5.49. I'm only showing the picture because my store don't have this in stock. In case you need it, this will be your breakdown. These 5 items will total $33.45. We have a dollar digital coupon in our app for the Tide Pod. If you have the P&G flyer we received last month, use 2 $1 off Downy coupon and 2 $1 off bounce coupons. But these coupons expire on the 24th, so this will be a Sunday only deal. These 5 coupons will take off $5 and drop it down to $28.45. Pay that and get $10 back, making them just $18.45 or $3.69 each. The second option I have is to pick up the Tide Pod on sale for $13.49 and Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll on sale for $10.79. The third item will be the small Tide Pod on sale for $5.49. These three would total $29.77. And that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. And the three coupons you need for this deal is all in our app. We have a $3 coupon for the big tide, the $1 coupon for the small tide, and a $1 coupon for the Cottonelle 9 mega rolls. That will take off $5 and drop it down to $24.77, and you get 10 back, making them just $14.77 or $4.92 each. And this concludes my video for today. I hope it's helpful. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.